Beautiful product. I like the way it looks. I like the way it was packaged. Hello and welcome back to Everyday Matters with Tari. So today I'm going to be unboxing a product. So I got a contact from a seller on Amazon and they've asked me to review a product for them. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. The product came in the post, okay? So that is it there. So I'm going to be opening it and then I'll show you what's in the box as well, okay? So here is my scissors. I'm just going to open the box, okay? And you see what's there in the product, in the box. Okay, so we've got the box here, okay? So that's the product there and we've got all this. I don't know why we've got all this, but here, yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so this is the product. So it's TouchBeauty 5-in-1 Electric Manicure Pedicure Set. Does that not sound nice? Okay, so it's a manicure and pedicure set, 5-in-1. I've never used it before. I go to the salon to get my nails done and that's it, but let's see what it looks like, okay? That's another box there. Okay. And it's sealed. So I'm just gonna open that up and see what it looks like. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Wow, it looks beautiful. I like the way it's packaged. It's packaged really nicely, really beautifully. Okay, so let's have a look. So that's like a stand, I think, and that is the body of it. Okay, I guess that goes in there. So that's how it is. Okay, so but it looks really beautiful. I don't know how it's used. I'm gonna read the manual that comes with it, that came with it, and then I'll let you know what it really is and how effective it is as well. So here is the user manual. Okay, so it says it got 5 exchangeable head sets. Okay, so 5 exchangeable heads for nail care. Okay, and look at the bottom there, we've got 5 little heads there. So that one, I think that's to file my nails, and there's a buffer, and there's one for buffering, there's one to remove the cuticle on my nails. So 5 different heads. It looks really nice. So there's also a UV light nail dryer there, so when I get my nails polished I can dry it with the UV light here. Okay, it also has a battery compartment, so where the battery, so it's battery operated, so that's the battery compartment there. I'll just open it. Yeah, so we've got batteries there, so that's really good. I'm looking forward to using it. Okay, I'm really excited. I want to see how it works. I haven't done my nails. I just cut my nails a few weeks ago, so I'm looking forward to trying it on to see what it looks like. I'm going to show you the finished product of my nails. Okay, so this is one of the heads. I think this is for filing. Okay, so that goes in there, I think. So that goes in there, and then you turn it on, and then you can put one of the heads there. Okay, just to do a demo. Okay, so I can open that actually, and it requires 2 batteries. So 2 batteries there. Okay, and then I'll close it back. Okay, and turn it on. I don't know if you can hear that. So that's on. I'm just right. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's really very powerful. Oh wow. It's really powerful, so you need to know exactly where you want to file. Okay, so that you don't just file your nails out of shape. But it's really very powerful. It just files it straight away. I really like it. I do. Yeah, turn it off. Okay, so it uses battery. So you put the battery in there, and then it's got a power off, power off, and power on and off. Okay, so I think it's a really good product, okay, and I'm gonna be using it. Okay, but yeah, so that's just it for the product review today. It's a beautiful product. I like the way it looks. I like the way it was packaged, and the delivery was really quick as well. Okay, so I'll put the link to this product in the description box, so if anyone is interested in getting it, the link will be there. Click on the link and you can get one for yourself. It's beautiful. It's an amazing product as well. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.